सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to solve exercise 4.1 problem number 4. Look at the question. What is the angle between two hands of a clock when the time in the clock is A 9 o'clock, B 6 o'clock, C 7 p.m. Given three questions. In the first two questions A and B, he has given only time 9 o'clock and B 6 o'clock. But in the C, he has given 7 p.m. So in the wall clock, nothing is difference if it is AM or PM. It shows only 7. Whether it is PM or AM, we don't care about that AM and PM. Okay, just we calculate the angle here. Okay, right. So look at the first question. In fourth, that is A 9 o'clock. Yeah, okay. So if you observe the clock diagram, so if the hands completed one single rotation, what is the time? Yeah, it is 12 hours. The wall clocks shows 12 hours time. So 12 hours is equals to 360 degrees, isn't it? Is it clear? Right. So for 1 hour, 360 degrees by 12. 12 ones, 12 30s. So 1 hour is equals to 30 degrees, isn't it? Right. Coming to our question. 9 o'clock. So if you observe carefully, the 9 o'clock, the arms will like this. Okay. Right. So if you consider this, you will get one angle. If you consider this, you will get another angle. Okay, we can solve in both the cases. Right. So if you observe this case, inside case, this case, yeah, how many hours? So 9 to 10 1 hour, 10 to 11 1 hour, 11 to 12 1 hour, total 3 hours. So the 3 into 30 minutes, the 30 degrees, that is equal to 90 degrees. So at the time of 9 o'clock, the angle is 90 degrees if you observe in this direction. So if you observe in the outside part of this angle, outside part of this arms, so what is the angle? Yeah, what is the time there? Yeah, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that 9 into 30 degrees, that is nothing but 270 degrees is the angle. If you observe in this direction, okay. So what is the angle? 270. So if you sum this 270 and this 90 degrees, you must get 360 degrees. Okay, right. If you sum this reflex, this is called a reflex angle. Reflex angle is 270 and normal angle is 90 degrees. Okay, most of the time we consider this angle only, 90 degrees only. Okay, in particular cases we take this reflex angle. Okay, right. What is the second question? 6 o'clock. Yeah, no problem for 6 o'clock, whether it is reflex or normal. Okay, in both the cases the angle will same. Okay, so B 6 o'clock. Yeah, at the time of 6 o'clock the arms will be like this. If you, this is a straight angle. If you measure in this direction, if you measure this direction, both the cases will get the same answer. What is that angle now? Yeah, 6 o'clock. 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 into 30 degrees will get 180 degrees. Each 1 hour 1 hour equals to 30 degrees. For 6 hours we get 180 degrees if you count in this direction. Otherwise if you count this direction, what is that? Yeah, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Here it is also 6 hours. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again take 6 into 30, 180 degrees. Okay, in both the cases it is a straight angle, that is why we are getting 180 degrees. Okay, right? If you sum this 180 plus 180, we'll get the complete angle, that is nothing but 60 degrees. Okay, right. Coming to third case, C, 7 p.m. Yeah, just he wants to confuse us. Nothing difference in the wall clock, whether it is PM or AM, it will be like this only. Okay, the angle will be like this. Yeah, this is the arm. So if you observe the figure, you can observe this. If you count this reflex angle, you will get one angle. If you measure this, you will get another angle. So we shall solve in both the cases. 7 p.m. Okay, right. If you count this in this direction, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. How many hours? 5 hours. Okay, 1 hour is equals to 30 degrees. So 5 hours is equals to 5 into 30, that is nothing but 150 degrees. Okay, 150 degrees is the angle when time is 7 p.m. If you measure the reflex angle, what is the difference? Yeah, look at here. So 12 to 1, we are counting from here. 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, 7 hours into 30 degrees. Okay, what is that? 210 degrees. Here it is. This is the reflex angle. Okay, that is the reflex angle. At the reflex angle, the angle is 210 degrees. Yeah, this is the problem number 4 in exercise 4.1. Right.